And a good Friday morning, everybody. I'm Meteorologist Mike Lichniak. Thanks for joining us on the News Watch this morning. I hope you're having a good one out there because I've kind of lost my body this morning. I now have satellite radar over the last 6 hours showing that we did have a little bit of cloud cover over much of the viewing area, and a couple of spotty showers went through during the overnight period. There might be even a couple of showers going down through Parkersburg and Charleston. As I try to move my head a little bit, there we go. There are the showers over there by Parkersburg, and as we make our way through the rest of the afternoon, I think we'll start to increase the cloud cover out ahead of the storm that will be making its way on in for Halloween night, unfortunately. Temperatures are pretty warm, but it kind of sucks that I can't move there. There we go. It's 54 in Elkins. It's also 54 in Lewisburg. It's 52 in Beckley and 55 in Bluefield. And as you send your kids out the door for the bus stop, here's the bus stop forecast by the wonderful people at Window World. And as the kids catch that bus over there, we'll have partly cloudy skies throughout the morning, temperatures in the lower and middle 50s, but by the time the kids catch the bus, they will be in t-shirts, and maybe some of them might even go in shorts to school because it's going to be that nice of a day. It's going to feel more like late summer around here. Temperatures upper 60s and lower 70s. Now, while I look for my body, we'll go over and see morning news with Leslie Draffin. Good morning, Leslie. Thanks, Leslie. At least the people in the control room have helped me out and put on a tie around my headless body. It's kind of funny. We have temperatures right now into the middle and lower and middle 50s for most of us. It's 52 degrees in Beckley. Oh, wait. I think something's happening. I don't know what's going on. The satellite radar over the last 12 hours shows that I can't. Okay, I'm trying to stay on the map. It's kind of hard. We did have cloud cover over much of us this evening, which allowed us to stay in the lower middle 50s this morning. We also had a few rain showers, and as you can see, off to the west, there is a lot of rain showers out there. So as we make our way through Fabulous Football Friday, I think we do stay dry for most of it. Temperatures dropping out of the lower 60s into the upper 50s by the time we end up. No, I can't. I'm starting to lose it. After the break, we'll talk about the weekend. And thanks for sticking with us here on the News Watch this morning. As you make our way out the door, you will see temperatures generally in the lower and middle 50s, and unfortunately, I still haven't found my torso yet, so this is going to be a little difficult to do. 54 degrees in Lewisburg right now. The dew point is 50, so there is no fog around in Lewisburg. I don't think we're going to get much fog around here as we make our way through the morning hours, so you should have a clear ride into work today. 55 over in Bluefield with a dew point of 48. That means your relative humidity is at 77%. Temperatures right now are generally into the 50s. Whoa! I lost myself. It's 63 Charleston, 52 Beckley. I'm fighting to try to get back on camera. There I am. Okay, 54 Lewisburg, 55 Bluefield, and 55 as well in Pineville. Good morning to you over in Pineville. Right now, regionally, temperatures are generally into the 50s and 60s in a lot of locations. 63 Charleston, 60 in Bristol, but look at that temperature over in Nashville, 67 degrees. They've had thick cloud cover overhead after the sunset. That's what allowed that temperature to really stay warm overnight. 57 Myrtle Beach, 55 for both the nation's capital, Richmond, and Columbus at this hour. Taking a look at the national satellite radar over the last 12 hours, you can see directly behind me, literally right there, there's a massive storm system that has developed over the Great Plains states, and this cold front will inch its way into our part of the area. That's what's allowed the showers. This is kind of hard when you only have a head to move. You only have the clouds and the few showers that we had overnight late last night, and that's what allowed our temperatures to stay in the 50s as a warm front came through earlier in the evening hours. You can see that we're starting to thicken up the clouds a little bit, but as we make our way through the day this morning, we will see the sunshine for plenty of us, but as we make our way into the afternoon and evening hours, we will start to cloudy things up out ahead of that system. There is also rain off to our west at this time. Places like Indianapolis and Chicago seeing a little bit of rain, and Little Rock is getting slammed by thunderstorms at this hour. So as this front starts to inch its way on into the area, as you can see on Timecast, as I'll move my head and the front will start moving with me, I hope. There we go. And as the front moves on in, we will start to increase the clouds, and by Saturday morning, I think we will see showers around for everybody. So, Fabulous Football Friday, not looking too bad at this time. COUNTYCAST shows that we do have that cloud cover overhead this morning. We break things apart as we make our way through the afternoon and into the evening hours. I think COUNTYCAST also underdoes the amount of cloud cover we'll have throughout the day. But we'll increase the clouds as we make our way into Saturday morning. I also think that before 10 a.m. we will see a few showers in most of the viewing area. But then we get the scattered showers to widespread rain event as we make our way through Saturday. And unfortunately, a secondary low pressure system forms to keep us soggy on Sunday. So for the rest of the day today, partly cloudy skies, and it will be warm. Hold on, let me inch my way over so you can see that symbol. There we go. Partly cloudy and warm. Temperatures generally into the upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. This is hard to move. 69 Oak Hill, 70 in Beckley, 72 down in Bluefield, and 64 at the top of Snowshoe. For the night tonight, we will cloudy things up, and we might see one or two isolated showers out there really early in the morning. Temperatures generally into the middle 50s, 54 for Oak Hill, 55 Beckley, 56 for Bluefield, and 54 in Lewisburg. Coming up after the break, we'll take a look at that extended forecast. We'll talk about the 7-day forecast with the magic of my tie. As we make our way through the day today, we'll have partly cloudy skies, temperature right around 70 degrees. As we make our way through Saturday and Sunday, we will tighten the clocks back, but unfortunately Halloween night, not looking good for the trick-or-treaters. A few showers around. Temperatures falling off from the 50s into the 40s by Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, things start to cool off a little bit as another storm system moves in. Monday night into Tuesday, we might see some mountain flurries in the highest elevations. Temperatures getting to the, oh, wait, come back to camera. I'm stuck, there we go. 32 degrees, so we might see a few flurries. But after Tuesday, things start to sunny up and temperatures warm up into the lower 50s. Now, Dan Toth's in with sports coming up next. And as we make our way out the door, you can see that I found my body this morning. Hooray for me! I can actually do the weather. Today, mostly or partly cloudy skies, temperature right around 70. Halloween into Halloween night. Oh, I think the ghosts are starting to attack. Oh boy. 42 by Saturday night into Sunday. We cool things off as we make our part into the early part of next week. A few snow flurries on Tuesday, but we clear things out. Thank you for joining us this morning on the News Watch. I think the ghosts are attacking us.